Good morning, student. Today we'll do page number 73 of Grammar Starter Book. This is unit 16. Do you ride a bicycle? And we are discussing topic simple, present, yes, no question. Now, student, before we start doing the exercise, first we should learn the rule of making question and how to give the answers. So, simple, present, yes, no question always begin with do or does. Then we have to write the pronoun, and then we have to write the verb, and we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Now question begin with do, with pronoun I, you, we, you. Here you means two or more than two people, and they. And question begin with does, with pronoun he, she, it. Now if we agree with the question, then we have to give the positive answer, and positive answer start with yes. Then we have to put comma. Then we write the pronoun, and at the end we write do or does. Again rule is same. We write do. If in question begin with do, then we have to write do. If question begin with does, then we have to write does at the end of the answer. Now we write do for the pronoun I, you, we, you and they. And we write does with pronoun he, she, it. And if you do not agree with the question, then we have to give the negative answer. And negative answer always begin with no. Then we have to put comma. Then we'll write the pronoun. Then at the end we write don't or doesn't. Rule is same. We write don't if the question begin with do. And we write doesn't if the question begin with does. So we write don't with the pronoun I, you, we, they. And we write doesn't for the pronoun he, she, it. There's one more rule. If in question. So one more rule is there. If in question pronoun I is there, then in answer we have to change into you. And if in question you pronoun is there, then in answer we have to write I. तो I की जगह हम you लिख देते आंसर में और you की जगह I लिख देते आंसर में. Now for plural pronoun we, if in question plural pronoun we is there, then in answer we have to write you. And if in question pronoun you is there, then in answer we have to write we. Here you is for two or more than two people. So if two or more than two people are there, then we have to change you into we in the answer. And there is no change in the pronoun he, she, it and they. तो I अगर सिंगुलर पर्सन I है तो आंसर में you हो जाता है, और क्वेश्चन में अगर you है तो I हो जाता है. If in question we is there, then we have to change into you in answer. If in question you is there and it is used for two or more than two people, then in answer we have to change into pronoun we. Now we'll solve the exercise. First, circle the correct word. We have to look at the picture. If picture matches with the question, then we have to give the positive answer. If picture do not or does not match with the question, then we have to give the negative answer. So let's do the exercise. Circle the correct words. Do or does you like the movie? Now with pronoun you, we always begin question with do. So we'll circle do and question will be do you like the movie? We can see this girl is getting bored and making face. So we have to give the negative answer. No, I don't. We have to change pronoun you into I because it is used for singular noun. एक पर्सन के लिए you होता है तो आंसर में हम I बता देते हैं. Now we'll see the second question. Do or does he have a banana and an apple? With pronoun he, we have to begin question with does. So we'll circle does and question will be does he have a banana and an apple? We can see a boy holding banana and apple in his hands. So you have to give positive answer. Yes, he does. So if question begin with does, then we have to end answer with the does. If question begin with do, then we have to end answer with the do for the positive answer. Third, do they swim in the sea? We can see a boy and fishes swimming in the sea. So you have to give the positive answer. Yes, they do. Because question is beginning with do. And for pronoun they, we always use do. So we'll circle do. Yes, they do. Fourth, does Sonia go to school? Sonia is the name of a girl or a woman, so we have to use pronoun she in the answer. And with pronoun she, we always use does or does not. We can see Sonia standing in the park, so you have to give the negative answer. Answer will be no, she doesn't. So student, first question is, do you like the movie? Answer, no, I don't. Does he have a banana and an apple? Answer, yes, he does. Do they swim in the sea? Answer, yes, they do. Fourth, does Sonia go to school? Answer, no, she doesn't. Now we'll do the B exercise. Read and match. Number 1, does Andrew like cookies? Now Andrew is the name of a boy or man. For boy or man, we have to use pronoun he. So we have to find the sentence having pronoun he. So we'll match it with C. No, he doesn't. Second, do you have a pencil? We have to change you into pronoun I. So we'll match it with E, and answer will be yes, I do. Third, do I do the dishes? Now we have to change pronoun I into you, and answer will be no, you don't. So we match third with A, no, you don't. Fourth, does Mari go to the zoo? Mari is the name of a girl or a woman, so we have to change into pronoun she in the answer. So we will match it with F, and answer will be no, she doesn't. Fifth, does the park have benches? Park is a non-living thing, so we have to change into pronoun, and we'll use pronoun it. So we'll match it with B, and answer will be yes, it does. Sixth, do Peter and Jen read books? Now Peter and Jen are two people, and for two people we have to use pronoun they in the answer. So we'll match it with D, answer will be yes, they do. So first, do Andrew like cookies? We'll match with C, and answer will be no, he doesn't. Do you have pencils? We'll match with E, answer will be yes, I do. Third, do I do the dishes? We'll match with A, and answer will be no, you don't. Fourth, does Mary go to the zoo? We'll match with F, and answer will be no, she doesn't. Fifth, does the park have benches? We'll match with B, yes, it does. Sixth, do Peter and Jen read books? We'll match with D, answer will be yes, they do. So you complete page number 73 of your Grammar Starter book.